sensibility and practicality define the 2017 Chevrolet Sonic. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.